Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to convert Google Play balance into redeem code. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to convert your Google Play balance into a redeem code. First, open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Redeem Code. Here, you can enter a redeem code to claim your rewards, but there is no direct way to convert your existing Google Play balance into a code. Instead, go back to the Play Store home screen. Use the search bar at the top to look for Google Wallet. If it's available in your region, simply download and install it on your device. Google Wallet often provides more flexibility in managing balances, redeeming offers, or transferring credit through eligible services. That's it. You now know the proper way to handle your Google Play balance. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.